I'm eating a lot. I need to stop. One of these braids I braided in myself and it looks really bad. We're not gonna talk about it. You know how that goes. Another one is save. Oh! Why did this fucking zero just clock out so damn early? Like, your shift is not over, sir. The fuck? My room is a mess and I could have cleaned it, but I don't want to start 2019 off lying, so here it is. Hello, welcome back. So today is gonna be about my motherfucking vision board that I made. I was gonna show you how I did it, but like for what? I cut out some things, I put them on here. It wasn't that hard. But I just wanted to speak some shit into existence right now. I don't know what 2019 is gonna be like, but I'm hoping it's a good year, you know, maybe. 18 wasn't really it. The only good thing that happened, okay, not the only good thing, you know, I did a little bit of traveling, a little bit with my family. I met my boo Seppi, my love. I don't know, I moved out, that's good. You know, some good things happened, but I want 2019 to be like hella more. So let me show y'all. Let me show y'all my dreams that I got in store, my motherfucking goals. 2019, I cut these joints out myself. Don't they look good? You just gotta be creative sometimes. I fucking saw big stickers at Michael's for like $6. I was like, who's paying $6? And all I need is 4 numbers. I was like, not me. So I found a cheaper alternative. Oh, relax. Found these Jones that were like $3 and I just cut them out of this and they look better than any of the numbers that were there anyway. So it don't even matter. Let's get right into my goals, shall we? But I watched Amber Scholl's video on her vision board and she always puts a quote on it. So I put a quote that pertains to me, you know, in my life. It says, change. I think I wrote the quote wrong, but we're not going to talk about it because it's just going to be up on my wall, so it's okay because, like, I really don't think it's correct. So your girl has anxiety and it sucks. I am flaky as fuck because of it. I cancel plans. I'm always like, yeah, I don't want to go. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do anything that I'm not used to doing. So my quote is, change begins at the end of, I think it's supposed to be, change begins at the end of your comfort zone, but I put the comfort zone. But it's okay. It's okay. It still makes sense. But change begins at the end of your comfort zone. Like, I just need to step out of my fucking comfort zone and do shit that scares me. So I did. So far, I'm doing pretty good, I would say. I went snowboarding. Shit's crazy. It's so hard and you're so sore the next day. But it's fun. It's definitely fun. Not money driven, but like happiness driven this year with the goal of getting some money also. You know, I'm tired of being broke. A broke boy, and I just don't know. But yeah, 2,000 Instagram followers for my McCoy Fish account, for my makeup account. That would be pretty damn nice. I think that it's an obtainable goal. I also have 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I think that's obtainable. So hopefully, not hopefully, it's gonna happen. Watch. Yo, don't come for the quality of these pictures. My mom's printer really ain't it. I went to my mom's house, used her printer. It was not it, honey, like at all. Like, it sucked. Like, it was garbage. So this YouTube one is for, I want to upload at least 1 video every single week or 52 videos by the end of the year. You heard me. So I'm a little behind, but I'm gonna come back because that's why I made it 52 videos a year, which equals once a week. So we're not falling off like last year. I want to work out more. My lovely man Sebastian, he actually wrote me a fucking workout plan because he's pretty good at working out. He knows what he's doing. I don't know anything. Like, I'm getting real big. Not big, but like, I'm getting a little thick. It's winter weight time. I have my body goals down here, which did not print correctly. It's Jasmine Suss, if you know who she is. her body is my goals. I think I can obtain it because she has really, she's thick, she's slim thick, and I think that's generally my body type. You know what I'm saying? I think slim thick is generally the area that I'm in. But the slim is not happening right now, but it will be. It will be. Like, catch me in June. I want to buy a camera this year. I really, really want to buy a camera so I can stop recording on my phone because I'd be running out of space and it's hella annoying. Another goal is to save $3,000 this year, which I think I can 100% do. The only issue with this that I'm seeing now is like, I'm also trying to go back to school, get some type of education this year. I gotta pay off my last semester that I went 3 years ago, and just like, and I'm planning on like traveling a lot. I really want to travel. Like, I just want to do shit that makes me happy. Like, that is the theme of 2019 and the rest of my fucking life. I'm gonna do shit that makes me happy. Oh, I put this room is so gorgeous. I want to decorate my room. It don't really got a theme going on in here right now. We're gonna get back into this. Your girl's phone storage got full. This is why I want a camera. I want to learn Japanese. I've been trying to learn Japanese for years. I think I want to go and take a class somewhere because I've tried to teach myself, and I've always learned, every time I try to teach myself, I learned the alphabet. And I had this journal where I got pretty far into learning Japanese. I don't know why I fell off, but it's really hard, and I want someone to teach me, like someone who knows Japanese to teach me. So a goal for this year is to start learning Japanese and stick with it. 9 clocked out. I don't know when or where, but she clocked out hella early. So it was just 21. This is a creative makeup look. I thought it was really nice. I just googled creative makeup because I was running out of time and I couldn't like put my favorite artist on here. But her name is Davina Wong, I think. That's what it says in the bottom corner. And this makeup was pretty dope, so I was like, hey, I'll put it on there. But this, I want to do at least 3 creative makeup looks every month. So I want to travel, but this isn't just traveling. I want to travel with my boyfriend. We're planning on going on a trip, so I'm ready to travel with my man. I have these fashion pictures. One here, one here, one here. And they're from a girl on Instagram named Fashion Influx. I love, 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 love her style. Like, I really love her style. It's just so nice. She just knows what she's doing. That's how I want to be. I want to know what I'm doing. I want to know my style. Like, for real, for real. I'm going to film my style lookbook right after this, actually. This little bubble says, think positive. And I just want to have a positive as fuck year. I tend to lean on the pessimistic / realistic side of things. But, like, I just want to be optimistic. Like, shit's going to work out. I always know stuff's going to work out. But I stress about it even though I know it's always going to work out. This is the last one. It says college ahead. This is very personal, but I dropped out of college about 3 years ago. And you kind of fuck yourself over. So I'm working on either going back to school with a different major, or I really want to go to esthetician school just to get me started in makeup somehow. The biggest one that I freaking forgot to print was get a better job. I am so tired of customer service bullshit. And so that's why I'm like really goal driven this year, because I'm just unhappy at my job. And I know just going and finding another job just the same is not going to change it. Like, I want a career. I want to be doing shit that I want to do that makes me happy. So the biggest one on here that I missed is get a new job. But like, having serving as my main job is just really not it anymore, and I'm a little over it. So, like I said, I never know what's gonna happen, so I'm gonna live my life to the fullest this year. Today is all about positivity. This year is about fucking positivity, hard work, goals, doing you, your dreams, not letting people treat you any kind of way this year. We are living life in 2019. Like 2018, I feel like a lot of people were like, this is gonna be my year. I don't think it's gonna be my year, but I'm gonna make the fucking most of it. You know what I'm saying? Last year I said 2018 is gonna be my year, and guess what I did to make it my year? Nothing. So 2019, we're achieving goals, we're setting goals, we're planning. I got a planner and I actually use it. Hello. We're doing shit we want to do in 2019. Hello. Life's calling. Pick up. Alright, that's all I have to say. I have nothing else. I have nothing more. Goodbye. Come back next time. And next time won't be too far because I'm being consistent this year. That's right. Okay, bye.